Children, don't study to earn, study to learn. What you learn today is what you will become tomorrow. From your Standard 7 Physics Term 3 Unit 1, we'll discuss the book back answers from the Unit Light Part 4. From your book back evaluation, first topic, choose the correct option. First question, light travels only in a straight line. It is because of this property that shadows are formed. So, B option is the correct one. Second one, light that hits a mirror gets reflected. Third one, mirror surface reflects the light well. Fourth one, light is a form of energy. Fifth one, you can see your image in polished floors but not in wooden table, because polished floors la da ungalku image theriyum, wooden floors la theriyadu. Ena B option, regular reflection takes place in polished floors. Polished floor la regular reflection nadakum and irregular reflection in wooden table. Choose sixth one, choose translucent substance from the following. Translucent அப்படினா partial தான் allow பண்ணும், blurred image தெரியறது. Glass full allow பண்ணும், transparent. Water transparent, pure water. Wood opaque object. எது translucent? Clouds மட்டும்தான் translucent. D is the correct answer. Seventh one, reflection occurs when the light, reflection எப்போ நடக்கும்? Approaches a surface. ஒரு surfaceல பட்டாதான் light reflect ஆகும். Eighth one, which of the following is the best reflector of light? Supra எது reflect பண்ணும்? Plane mirror. Ninth one, Sivarajan placed a meter stick in the playground at 7 AM in the morning. ஒரு மீட்டர் ஸ்டிக்கு வந்துட்டு playgroundல 7 AM மார்னிங்கில் வைக்கிறாங்க. How will the shadow of the stick at noon look in comparison to 1 in the morning? மார்னிங்கில் அதோட ஷேடோ விட நூனில் இருக்கிற அந்த ஸ்டிக்கோட ஷேடோ எப்படி இருக்கும்? The shadow will be shorter. Afternoon ஆக ஆக ஷேடோ வந்து ஷார்ட்டராக இருக்கும் and on in the opposite side of the sun. அது மட்டும் இல்லை எங்கே இருக்கும்? Opposite side of the sun. Listen children, உங்கள் புக்கில் வந்துட்டு இந்த ஆப்ஷன் இல்லை, ஸோ இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் டீட்டெயில் ஆட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. டி ஆப்ஷன்னு போட்டு இதையும் ரைட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. 10th one, the image formed by pinhole camera is inverted because, எதனால் பின்ஹோல் கேமராவில் இமேஜ் வந்து இன்வெர்ட்டடாக இருக்குது? ஏன்னா because light travels in a straight line. So next one, 11th one, which of the following fact explain how shadows are formed? ஸோ எதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு ஷேடோஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஆப்ஷன் பாருங்கள், லைட் ட்ராவல்ஸ் இன் அ ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைன். ஆமாம், லைட்டு வந்து ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைனில் ட்ராவல் ஆகுது, அதனால் ஷேடோ ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது. பி ஆப்ஷன், ஒபேக் பாடிஸ் டு நாட் அலோ லைட் டு பாஸ் த்ரூ தெம். ஒபேக் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் வந்துட்டு லைட் அலோ பண்ணாது. ஆமாம், ஒபேக் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் இருந்தால் தான் ஷேடோ ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஸோ ஏ அண்ட் பி. வில் சி அபவுட் சி. ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் அக்கர்ஸ் அட் ஸ்மூத் சர்ஃபேஸ் லைக் மிரர்ஸ். மிரர்ஸில் ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் நடக்கிறதுனால ஷேடோ ஃபார்ம் ஆகுதா? நோ. lateral inversion happens. lateral inversion நடக்கிறதுனால shadow form ஆகுதா? no. So option is A option is the correct answer, both A and B. Fill in the blanks. First one, a plane mirror produces a virtual and erect image. plane mirror என்ன image போயிருக்கும்? virtual image இருக்கும், அது இல்லாமல் erect இருக்கும். Second one, a specular reflection helps us to see the object. regular reflection இல்லைனா specular reflection. Third one, the light rays gets reflected when it falls on the polished surface. Fourth one, sunlight is a blend of all 7 VIBGYOR colors. Fifth one, the splitting of white light into 7 colors is called dispersion. Sixth one, the moon reflects sunlight. Seventh one, the sunlight can be split into its constitution colors using prism. Eighth one, reflection of light from rough surface is called diffuse reflection. Third topic is say true or false. First question, the image of the right hand in a mirror, plane mirror, looks like a left hand. Plane mirror la right hand வந்து left hand தெரியும். True. Second one, rainbow is formed by dispersion of white light by water drops. True. Third one, the image formed by plane mirror is laterally inverted. ஆமாம், plane mirrorலது laterally inverted இருக்கும். Hence, the image seen through the periscope is also laterally inverted. ஆனால் பெரிஸ்கோப்பில் இருக்கிறதும் laterally inverted-ஆ false. ஏன்னா பெரிஸ்கோப்பில் எத்தனை மிரர்ஸ் இருக்கும்? 2 மிரர் இருக்கும். ஸோ ஒன்று வந்து laterally inverted நடக்கும், இன்னொன்று அதை ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ணிடும். Fourth one. ஸோ அங்கே இல்லைக்கன்னா இதையும் எழுதுங்க. Not laterally inverted since reflected by 2 mirrors அப்படிங்கிற false statement-ஐ கரெக்ட் பண்ணி எழுதும்போது since reflected by 2 mirrors அப்படின்னு ஆட் பண்ணும். Fourth question. We see planets because they reflect light from the sun. True. Fifth one. We see a book because it reflects light that falls on its surface. True. Sixth one. The image formed in a pinhole camera is always inverted. True. Seventh one. The image formed in a pinhole camera is always of the same size of the object. Pinhole camera la same size of the object? No. So underline always same size and write of different size of the object. Answer is false. Eighth one. Image formed in a plane mirror is upside down? False. Plane mirror la erect இருக்கும். Correct? நம்ம எப்படி இருக்கோமோ அதே மாதிரி correct straight இருக்கும். So it is erect. Ninth one. A plane mirror is opaque. True. Plane mirror வந்து allow பண்ணாது light pass through பண்ண. Tenth one. A shadow is formed on the same side of the object as the source of light. Shadow வந்து same side of the objectல நம்மளுக்கு shadow தெரியுமா? No. Opposite side. So it is false. 11th one. We are able to see things around us with the help of regular reflection. True. So regular reflection தான் நம்ம help பண்ணுது to see the things. So இங்கே வந்து specular reflectionும் எழுதலாம், இல்லைனா regular reflection அப்படினும் எழுதலாம். So regular is also the correct answer. 12th one. After passing through a prism, white light splits into a band of 7 colors. True. Next one is match. 1, 2, 3 book இருக்கவங்க மார்க் பண்ணுங்க, புக் இல்லாதவங்க கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் எடுத்து எழுதுங்க. First one. Rectilinear propagation, pinhole camera. Plane mirror, glossy surface. Firefly, illuminous object. Moon, non-luminous object. Wide light source, penumbra. Regular reflection, periscope. The sun, primary source of light. Band of 7 colors, spectrum of light. I'll show you. See, this is how you will be writing in your note. Rectilinear propagation, pinhole camera. Plane mirror, glossy surface. Firefly, luminous object. Moon, non-luminous object. Wide light source, penumbra. Regular reflection, periscope. Sun, primary source of light. 8th, band of 7 colors, spectrum of light. So now we'll discuss the detailed answers. What are regular and irregular reflection? Explain with the help of diagram. So regular na specular reflection ki இன்னொரு பேரு regular reflection. Irregular na diffuse reflection, அதாவது rough surface, மேல இருக்கிறது smooth surface. Diagram draw பண்ணிக்கணும். First point, regular reflection heading போட்டுக்கணும். If the surface is smooth and flat, all points on it have the normal in same direction. Therefore, a set of parallel rays striking the surface will be reflected at an angle, but the rays themselves will still remain parallel to each other. Next point, if the surface is smooth, then we have a specular reflection or regular reflection. Irregular reflection B. Roughness of the wall means that each individual ray meets the surface at the which has the different orientation. Second point, if the surface is rough, then we have diffuse reflection. Third point, light ray always reflection goes in many direction. Second question, what are the difference between luminous and non-luminous object? Give 2 example. Luminous object na இந்த மாதிரி டேபிள் வரைஞ்சிக்கோங்க, ட்ரா பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Then write the objects which are able to emit their own light are called luminous object. Non-luminous na the object which are not able to emit their own light is called non-luminous objects. Example of luminous object is sun, burning candle. Non-luminous வந்து book, pencil, bench. Third one, write about 2 everyday situation. இங்க 4 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. You can write any 2 and tell you that light travels in a straight line. இதுதான் எழுதணும்னு இல்லை, உங்களுக்கு என்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் தோணுதோ அதை எழுதிக்கலாம். So here the torch is an example that proves light travels in a straight line. When we switch on the torch, light travels in a straight line. Second point, light travels through the holes in the cement grill. Fourth, the light penetration through trees. Last one, laser beam. Fourth question, differentiate between reflection and shadow. Reflection and reflections are caused by light bouncing off the surface. The image is formed by the reflected ray. We can see the image as the size of the object by reflection. Image oda size reflected object oda size same ah da irukum. Shadows are formed when light is obstructed by certain material. Shadows are formed by opaque objects. Shadows only show the outline of the object placed in front of the light source. Outline da kaamikume only full characteristics of the object describe pannadu. Shadow. Fifth question, what are the characteristics of image formed in a plane mirror? Already I said while teaching, the image is upright, the image and the object are of same size, the image is virtual, the image is laterally inverted, the distance of the object from the mirror is equal to the distance of the image from the mirror. Sixth one, describe the picture. Paranga, first picture la will you be able to see the flame? No, because we cannot see the flame of the candle in figure A since light travels in a straight line. Figure B ku paranga, we can see the figure B. So draw these two figures, okay. We can see the flame of the candle in figure B due to the rectilinear propagation of light. So book irukavanga, you can write in book or mark it in book if you have all the answers, points. If you don't have book, you have to write in your note. Seventh one, define the following terms: incident ray, reflected ray, normal, and angle of incident. Incident ray na enna? The ray of light that falls on the surface of the reflection material. Reflected ray na? The ray of light that comes from the point when the incident ray falls on the reflection material. So idella unga book liye irukku. Normal, the perpendicular line drawn from the point of incident to the plane of reflection surface is called the normal. Angle of incident, the angle formed between the incident ray and the normal is called the angle of incident, which is denoted by angle I. Eighth one, the last one, compare the images formed by the plane mirror with that of the pinhole camera. So difference between plane mirror and pinhole camera: images formed by pinhole camera la first point, image is real. This is also in your book. The image may be not equal to the size of the image. Image oda size adla form avra object oda size equal ah irukadu. The image is inverted. Idhe plane mirror la object oda equal size la irukum. The image is equal to the size of the object. The image is virtual, image is erect. So till this we'll be completing. We have completed the lesson light. So that's all for today's class. Have a good day. Thank you.